मळी लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે લિમિટ એનો ટાઈપ 1 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ ટાઈપ 2, this is very important for us. Type 2, find out limit using definition. How to calculate example? Put x is equal to a. You will get three answers. Either you will get one number, then this number is your limit. Either you will get 0 divided by 0, then take x minus a common, put x is equal to a and get answer. Or either you will get number divided by 0. So कोई पण नंबर ने 0 वडे डिवाइड करवामां आवे तो आंसर इनफाइनाइट. तो एनो मीनिंग थशे फंक्शन हैज नो लिमिट. ओके, डायरेक्ट आंसर मळी जाय तो ए आपणो आंसर. 0 ना छेदमां 0 आवे तो x माइनस a कॉमन फैक्टर थशे. पाछું x इज इक्वल टू a मूकशुं એટલે આપણે આન્સર મળી જશે. અને છેદમાં જો 0 મળે, ડિનોમિનેટરમાં 0 મળશે તો એ ફંક્શનને લિમિટ નથી એવું નક્કી થશે. First example, limit x tends to 3, 3x plus 4. Put x is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 3 plus 5. Sorry, 9 plus 5. 40. This is your answer. Direct. First. Second, limit x tends to 1, x square minus 1x minus 1. Put x is equal to a. 1 square minus 1, 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus 1, 0 by 0. You will get x minus 1 common. So limit x tends to 1, x square na આપણે અવયવ પડશું x minus 1, x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. x minus 1 આપણું કોમન ફેક્ટર છે ને આપણે કેન્સલ કરશું એટલે આપણે મળશે લિમિટ x tends to 1, x plus 1. Put x is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is your answer. Second condition. Third, put x is equal to 4. 4 square plus 3 upon 4 minus 4. 16 plus 3 divided by 0, 19 divided by 0. So छेदमां 0 आवे तो function has no limit. This is your third condition. First condition में direct answer, second में 0 by 0 એટલે આપણે common લીધું, third માં છેદમાં 0, so function has no limit. Next example number 4. Put x is equal to 3. 3 plus 7, 3 minus 2. 10 divided by 1, that is 10. This is your answer. Next example number 5. Limit x tends to 4, x square minus 3x minus 4x square minus 2x minus 8. Put x is equal to 4. 4 square minus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 4. 4 square minus 2 multiplied by 4 minus 8. 16 minus 12 minus 4. 16 minus 8 minus 8. So 16 minus 16 upon 16 minus 16. 0 divided by 0. So x minus 16, sorry, x minus 4 is common factor. Let's see. Limit x tends to 4. 4 ના આપણે એવા અવયવ પાડવાના છે કે બાદબાકી 3 થાય. 4 1 4, x square minus 4x plus x minus 4. 8 ના આપણે એવા ફેક્ટર્સ પાડવાના છે કે જેને બાદબાકી 2 થાય. 4 2 8. limit x tends to 4, x common, x minus 4 plus 1 common, x minus 4, x common, x minus 4 plus 2 common, x minus 4, limit x tends to 4, x plus 1, x minus 4, x plus 2, x minus 4, x minus 4, x minus 4 cancel. Limit x tends to 4, x plus 1 upon x plus 2. Put x is equal to 4. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 2. 5 divided by 6. This is your answer. Next, example number 6. Put x is equal to 1. 1 square plus 1 minus 2. 1 square plus 2 multiplied by 1 minus 3. 1 plus 1 minus 2. 1 plus 2 minus 3. 2 minus 2. 3 minus 3. 0 by 0. So x minus 1 is common vector. Let's see. Limit x tends to 1. બેને આપણે એવા ભાગ પાડવાનો છે કે બાદબાકી 1 થાય. x સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ 2x માઇનસ x માઇનસ 2. 3 ના એવા ભાગ પાડવાનો છે કે બાદબાકી 2 થાય. x સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ 3x માઇનસ x માઇનસ 3. લિમિટ x ટેન્ડ્સ ટુ 1, x કોમન, x પ્લસ 2 માઇનસ 1 કોમન, x પ્લસ 2. x common, x plus 3 minus 1 common, x plus 3. Limit x tends to 1, x minus 1, x plus 2. x minus 1, x plus 3. x minus 1, x minus 1 cancel. So limit x tends to 1, x plus 2 divided by x plus 3. Put x is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 divided by 1 plus 3. 3 by, this is your answer. Next, example number 7. Put x is equal to minus 3. 2 multiplied by minus 3 no square, 9 multiplied by minus 3 plus 9. Divided by 2 multiplied by minus 3 no square plus 7 multiplied by minus 3 plus 3. 2 multiplied by 9 plus minus minus 27 plus 9 divided by 2 multiplied by 9 minus 21 plus 3. 18 plus 9 minus 27. 18 plus 3 minus 21. 27 minus 27. 21 minus 21. 0 by 0. So common factor is, this is very important, x minus minus 3. That means x plus 3. So common factor is x plus 3. Let's see. Limit x tends to minus 3. 9 multiplied by 2. 18 ના એવા પાર્ટ પાડવાના છે કે જેનો સરવાળો 9 થાય. 6 multiplied by 3. 2x plus 3, 6x plus 3x plus 9 divided by 2 multiplied by 3, 6, 6 never part के no sum 7. So 2x plus 6x plus x plus 7. Limit x tends to minus 3. 2x common, x plus 3 plus 3 common, x plus 3 upon 2x common, x plus 3 plus 3 plus x plus 3. 1 common, x plus 3. Limit x tends to minus 3. 2x plus 3, x plus 3. x plus 2x plus 1 common, x plus 3. x plus 3, x plus 3 cancel. Limit x tends to minus 3. 2x plus 3 upon 2x plus 1. Put x is equal to minus 3. 2 multiplied by minus 3 plus 3, 2 multiplied by minus 3 plus 1, minus 6 plus 3, minus 6 plus 1, minus 3 minus 5, 3 by 5. This is your answer. Next, example number 8. Limit x tends to minus 1 by 3. Put x is equal to minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1 by 3 no square plus 9 multiplied by minus 1 by 3 plus 2 divided by 9 minus 1 by 3 no square minus 1. So 3 1 upon 9 plus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 3, that is minus 3 plus 2 upon 9 1 upon 9 minus 1. 1 by 3 minus 3 plus 2 upon 1 minus 1. Take 3 LCM. 1 minus 9 plus 3. Sorry, 1 minus 9 plus 6 divided by 0. 1 by 3, 3, 2. So 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 minus 9 minus 2 by 3 divided by 0. So Chapman 0 function has no limit. Next, example number 9. Put x is equal to 2. 5 multiplied by 2 square plus 17 multiplied by 2 plus 20. 9 multiplied by 2 square plus 5 multiplied by 2 minus 26. 2 no square 4 multiplied by 5 20. 17 multiplied by 2 34 plus 14 divided by 9. 2 no square 4 multiplied by 3 36. This is minus 2. So this is minus 30. 2 no square 4 multiplied by 9 not 36. 5 multiplied by 2 minus 10. Minus 10 minus 26. So 34 minus 34, 36 minus 36, 0 by 0. So common factor is x plus 2. Let's limit x tends to minus 2. 17 आया पार्ट के अनुसार 17 है. So 5x square plus 17 plus 10x plus 7x plus 14 divided by 9 multiplied by 26, 234. 234 નાવા પાર્ટ કે એનો સમ એનો ડિડક્શન 5 234. So 10 multiplied by 15 150, 25 multiplied by 20 500, 17 multiplied by 12 204, 18 multiplied by 13 234, 18 multiplied by 13 9x square, 9x square plus 18x minus 13x minus 26. Limit x tends to minus 2. 5x common, x plus 2 plus 7 common, x plus 2. 3x common, 3x common, sorry 9x common, so x plus 2 minus 30 common, x plus 2, limit x tends to minus 2, 5x plus 7, x plus 2, 9x minus 30, x plus 2, common factor cancel करते हैं, so limit x tends to minus 2, 5x plus 7, 9x minus 30, put x is equal to minus 2, 5 multiplied by minus 2 plus 7, 9 multiplied by minus 2 minus 30, minus 10 plus 7, minus 18 minus 30, so minus 3 divided by 18 plus 30, 31, minus 31, so 3 divided by 30, this is your answer. Here our sum is completed. In next session we will start our next example. Thank you.